What's going on, guys? Today we'll be showing you how to sharpen your clipper blades using a sharpening stone. The sharpening stone got a fine and a coarse side. The coarse side be the hard side, the fine side be the soft side. You'll need a screwdriver, the sharpening stone, and obviously the clippers. So you'll first need to take off the blades out of the clippers, so we'll get that done. So once you take your blades out of your clippers, you get one of the blades and start on the quartz side of your sharpening stone. Don't put too much pressure, but just the right amount of pressure, and just start grinding it for a good 30 to 40 seconds, and just keep on. So we'll be flipping the sharpening stone to the fine side, and you'll grab your blade and do the same procedure you did on the other side. So once you finish doing your grinding, you should be having like a shiny looking blade where you did all the grinding at. So that lets you know that you did some. And once you finish with that blade, you'll grab your other blade and do the same procedure as you did with the first one. Alright guys, now that we've done that, we should just put our blade back on the machine and we should be good. And the way I put my blades back on, I try to zero gap them, so I close it up and just even both blades and screw them up, so once everything's tight, it will be zero gapped. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.